There is an email that government.uk must have sent to you asking you to replace your BRP to an eVISA. Go to that email and click the link, or you can click the link in my description. You will be redirected to this page. Scroll down, read through, and then click on Start Now. Please make sure you read through, then you click on Start Now. Have you ever had a biometric resident permit? Select Yes and click on Continue. Do you still have your biometric resident permit card? Select Yes and then click on Continue. Select Yes, then click on Continue. We have finished confirming that we have a biometric resident permit card, a valid one. Here it's time to create an account, an eVISA account. All you need to do is to click on Create an account. Are you creating this account for me or for someone else? I'll select me, then Continue. Then this is where you fill your name, your surname, then you click on Continue. So I'll just do that now. What is your country of nationality? For me, it's Nigeria, and then obviously I will click on Continue. After that, which identity document are you using? The answer for me is obviously biometric resident permit. Click on Continue. Here is where you enter your BRP number and the expiring date. Once you're done, click on Continue. Fill in your date of birth, then Continue. Your email address, then Continue. You'll be sent a security code. Fill in your security code and Continue, and also fill in your number and Continue. Do you want someone else to have access to your account? For me, the answer is no. So I'll select no, then I'll select Continue. If you want yes, select yes. This is the summary of your answers. If you're happy with it, go through your answers. If you're not happy, click on the change button. Once you're done with your changes, then click on create accounts. You have created UKVI account. The next step is to confirm your identity, and all you need to do is to scroll down and sign in to your account to follow the process that will allow you to confirm your identity. Here, select biometric resident permit, Continue. Fill in your BRP number, Continue. And then your date of birth, then Continue. Select how you want to receive your security code. For me, it's email. Check your email and enter the security code that was sent and select Continue. You will be redirected to this place where you'll be asked to link your eVISA to your account. Click on Start. These are all the steps that you need to complete before the process will be done. So the first thing to do is to confirm your identity. So we are going to select that one. Then click on Continue. Now you need to have access to a smartphone. Do you have access to a smartphone? Select yes, then click on Continue. Now go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the UK Immigration ID app. This is how the app looks like. Go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store app and download the UK Immigration ID check app. Follow this process. Just follow my screenshot. Click on Continue. Then I want to connect using a QR code instead of a connection code. Click on QR code. Then click on Continue. This is how you're going to place your phone in front of your laptop. Place your phone right now in front of your laptop so that it can be connected to the QR code in your laptop. I'm not able to show you my phone and my laptop at the same time, but just place your phone in front of your laptop just like this, and it's connected. I couldn't show my laptop. We need to confirm who you are. I will use my email. Then I'll select the code that was sent to me in my email. So these steps are done with our phone and not with our laptop. We need to confirm my identity with our phone. Just follow my steps. Click on OK. Now click on the arrow and read everything. You need to take an image of your document, which is the image of your BRP, the front part and the back part. Then you need to check your document information and you need to scan your face. Then click on start. So which documents will you use? We select our BRP. So let's go through this one step at a time. The first thing you need to do is to take a picture of the side of your BRP. Take a picture of the part of your BRP that is shown on your phone. Then flip it and take a picture of the part that is shown right now on your phone. After that, the next step is for you to scan the chip. This is the tricky part. So the secret to getting this done is by making sure you keep your phone still. You are only allowed to move your phone in the beginning. You have to listen to this. Move your phone in the beginning until you see this sign. Once this pops in, hold still and don't make any slight movement, because there's a number of times you will repeat this and you will not be able to continue with the process and you'll be asked to try in 24 hours. So once this shows, hold still and don't move until it says complete. And try not to move your phone around too much, trying to locate it, just a slight movement so that it will be easier for you to hold on to it when it shows up. So this is the tricky part. So once you are done scanning the chip, the next thing for you to do is to scan your face. This is very simple. Go to plain background and scan your face. Then the next step is to take a picture of yourself, which will be shown on the website. That is your UKVI account. So anytime you log onto your account, the picture that you're going to take is the one that is going to show there. So that is the last step of using the phone app, taking a picture of yourself before you will continue with your laptop. Once you're done with the process using your phone, go over to your laptop and sign in. So if you did not log out from your laptop, this is what you're going to see. Just click on sign in, or you check your email address, you will see a login detail. You'll be asked to sign in. So click on sign in and you'll be asked these questions again. Choose BRP, click on continue, enter your BRP number and click on continue. Then enter your date of birth and also click on continue. Then how do you want to receive your security code? Select what you prefer and click on continue as well. Check your email for the security code that will be sent to you and type it in. Then you click on continue. Oh, we made a mistake. So let's try again and type in the right one. So just click on continue here. Okay, so here click on confirm your identity. Click on confirm your identity and it will tell you identity information submitted, which is what you did with your phone. Click on continue again. Now it's time to fill in the remaining part of your location contact preference. So we are going to select location. Then select yes, I am in the UK and click on continue. If you are currently not in the UK, click on no, I am outside the UK. Then click on continue again. Go through the list, click on contact preference and select the email that you want. Click on continue. Select the phone number that you used. Click on continue. Then click on continue again. Scroll down, select account security question. Choose the questions you want. So there are three different questions that will be asked. Once you're done, click on continue. So I'm not going to show you my questions and my answers. I'm just going to skip this part. Then click on continue. Click on continue again. Select declaration. Click on I am the person submitting the information and I'm age 18 and above. Just select the appropriate answer, and once you're done with that, click on continue. Then select submit, which is the final step. So now you are done. All you need to do is to confirm and submit. You're done with everything that needs to be done. Congratulations. You will receive an email telling you that your eVISA has been approved. This email usually comes in within 24 hours, and once it comes in, you'll be able to log in to your account. Okay, you'll be able to log into your account.